Okay, for this problem, we have transformations that are happening to an exponential function. An exponential function's form is a times b to the power of x, where b is our base. I guess we could have like I'm not thinking of the correct variables right now, but right here we could do like a plus c and a plus d out here. So the way that these all affect our exponential function, this one's the vertical stretch or shrink. So if the number is greater than 1, it's a stretch. If the number is less than 1, it's going to be a shrink. B is my base. C is the horizontal shift. So if you have like minus C, that's going to be a movement right. If you have a plus C value, that's going to be left. I know this is going to be super sloppy here. And then the last one is your vertical shift. So if it's a plus D, that's going to be up. A minus D, it's going to be down. Now remember, a shift is actually moving the entire graph left or right or up or down. A shrink is where it's a shrink or a stretch is where it shrinks, expands the graph up or down or left or right. Vertical would be expanding it up and down. So when we go to answer this question, you click on the graph. Try to find an empty spot down here where we can work. You click on your exponential graph. We know our base is greater than 1, so it's going to be exponential growth instead of exponential decay. And then really you can just plot a point anywhere. I'll plot it out here just so you can kind of see it. Once you plot a point, it pops up there and it gives you this tool here. So we have to adjust our vertical stretch. It starts here at 1 because that would assume an A value of 1. We know our A value in this case is 5 because of this number right here. Okay, we know our base is 2. We need to go back on here, so I'll click. I'll avoid doing that again. So our base is 2. It's already set. Horizontal stretch, we don't have any, so we're going to leave that as 1. Our vertical shift. So vertical shift is up and down, and that is the plus 1 at the end there. So we're going to take our vertical shift, and we're going to go to 1. Our horizontal shift is left and right, so we have to decide, is it a plus C or a minus C? Since this is a minus 1, it's going to be right 1. So we have to shift it right 1. Okay, that should be good enough. I don't think there's any other transformations happening to that. So we click save, we check our answer, and it works. Hopefully this helps. Definitely a difficult tool to use. And then you have to answer this one based on what we described. So I'm going to let you do that one on your own.